Hello students, today we will discuss the second chapter of our science book, which is plants. In this chapter we will discuss how do plants prepare food, how do they reproduce, and their means of reproduction. Okay, so this will be the basic part of our chapter. So let us begin. Okay, so as we all do know that plants are also living things. Plants are also living things, thus they must need some food. All plants need food, and in class 4 we have studied that part in section parts of plants. We have studied, suppose that it is a plant, suppose that this is soil. Okay, this is soil and this is a plant. Okay, I am drawing its leaves. What is color of leaves? Yes, its color is green. Okay, so this is, and some part of this plant goes deep into the soil, and we used to name it as roots. In class 4 we studied there are two types of root, tap root and fibrous root, whatever it is. So this part is called as root, this is stem, and these are leaves. Okay, these are leaves, this is stem, and this part is root. As we all do know that from root they used to take water and minerals. Water and minerals from roots they used to take in. Okay, and these roots help to absorb them, and this water and minerals are provided to the leaves. Okay, but this is not the total part from where they get food. Okay, so as we do know that plants are living things, from root they used to absorb water and minerals. Okay, this part is called as stem and this part is called as leaves. Okay, leaves are green in color. Yes, not every leaves are green in color, like red cabbage has red color. Okay, and also some plants they have some brownish colored leaves. Some fancy plants, some decorative plants have different color leaves. They may have different colors, but in general most of the leaves are green in color. Okay, so we will write that most leaves are green. Most leaves are green. Okay, in these leaves plant used to prepare its food. Plant prepares its food in leaves. So we call leaves as food factories of the plant. Okay, so what do we call leaves? We call leaves are food factories of the plant. Okay, so there might be one question, which part are the food factories of the plant? The answer should be the leaves are the food factories of the plant. Okay, so this is an important note. I will advise you to write it down in your copy. Okay, so these leaves prepare food for the plant. Okay, we studied that. Now, by which method? Okay, the process by which this food is made by this plant is called as photosynthesis. Okay, this is very much important. The definition of photosynthesis. Okay, so till now we have studied that these leaves prepare food for the plant. Okay, the process by which these leaves prepare food is called as photosynthesis. इनका जो खाना बनाने का तरीका है उस प्रोसेस को बोलते हैं photosynthesis. Okay, so I will write here the process by which green plants make their food is called photosynthesis. Okay, that is called as photosynthesis. Now, as we all do know that we need some raw material to cook food. खाना बनाने के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए अपने पास, है ना? So likewise, these leaves also need some materials. And what are those? Those are carbon dioxide and water. Remember this. Carbon dioxide and water. What they need? Carbon dioxide plus water to make their food. Okay, and they provide us, what do they provide? They provide actually glucose and oxygen. Okay, memorize this one, this is important. I am highlighting this one. Okay, what they prepare? They prepare glucose for themselves and oxygen. What they need to cook their food, what they need to prepare their own food, they need carbon dioxide and water. Okay, the process by which the plants prepare their food are called as photosynthesis. Okay, now this photosynthesis has two words. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Okay, this photo means light and this synthesis means putting together. So the photosynthesis means, the photo means light, synthesis means putting together. To prepare their food, they need some light. Okay, to prepare their food, they need some light. So the plants can make food only in presence of light. इनको फोटोसिंथेसिस करने के लिए लाइट का ज़रूरत पड़ता है, इस वजह से प्लांट्स केवल लाइट के प्रेजेंस में ही फोटोसिंथेसिस कर सकते हैं. दे कैन प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड. ओके, सो देयर आर टू थिंग्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड. फर्स्ट थिंग, लीव्स, उनको पत्ता होना चाहिए पेड़ में. सेकेंड थिंग, light. Okay, so actually they don't need leaves directly. What we have written here, most leaves are green. Why they are green? The question is, why the leaves are green? Okay, due to chlorophyll. Due to chlorophyll. Okay, so there are two things which are required for the photosynthesis. First number, I will write two things required for photosynthesis. First one is light. Second one is chlorophyll. Okay, there are two things which are required. First one is light, second one is chlorophyll. Now dear students, I think so that this term is new for you, chlorophyll. I am going to discuss what are chlorophylls. Okay, now we will discuss about chlorophyll. The green colored pigments are called as chlorophyll. The green colored pigments present in leaves are called chlorophyll. Okay, what are chlorophyll? The green colored pigments are called as chlorophyll. Suppose that as this must be feasible, I have a blue colored pen. Okay, so I am making a leaf over here. Yes, with the blue pen I am making a leaf. Okay, what are chlorophylls? They are green colored pigments, very much tiny, very much tiny. Each pigment, one pigment is chlorophyll. Okay, so there are a lot of chlorophylls. There are many chlorophylls. I can put together a million times, 10 million times, like that. Okay, and when I will get that, you will see that the total leaf will acquire green color. Okay, so if I will have many of them, then it will look like green color. Likewise our leaves. Okay, likewise our leaves have this green colored pigments, and these green colored pigments are called as chlorophyll. Okay, so we need two things to show photosynthesis. One is light and another one is chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll, dear students? The green colored pigments present in leaves are called as chlorophyll. Okay, So I hope so you might have understood till now what we have studied. I am going to revise it for you in very much quick section. Okay, so then later on we will move and I will answer you one very much curious question. Okay, first one, what we have studied, plants are also living things. The most of the leaves are green, not all leaves are green, but yes, most of the leaves are green. And why they are green? Due to chlorophyll. Okay, we just have written here that why the leaves are green, due to these green colored pigments. And what are those called? Those are called as chlorophyll. Okay, so if somebody asks you that why leaves हैव ग्रीन कलर, अगर कोई पूछता है कि लीव्स का कलर ग्रीन क्यों होता है, तो क्या जवाब देना है? ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ ग्रीन कलर्ड पिगमेंट्स. और इस ग्रीन कलर्ड पिगमेंट को क्या बोलते हैं? क्लोरोफिल. वेरी गुड. सो what we have studied, that leaves are the food factories of the plant. Okay, they absorb water and minerals from the root. Okay, the process by which they prepare their food, they make their food, is called photosynthesis. This is the definition. But what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Okay, and for prepare their food, what do they need? They need carbon dioxide, water, glucose and oxygen. They make it. Okay, they take carbon dioxide and water and they make glucose and oxygen. Is it clear, dear students? Okay, so to perform photosynthesis they need two things. One was light and another one was chlorophyll. Okay, so as we have discussed here, remember this one. I will write it once more. Okay, the process of photosynthesis. What is taken? Carbon dioxide and water. What is prepared? Glucose and oxygen. I will write it here. Okay, so in photosynthesis, this is important part of discussion. Okay, so yes, and they have taken carbon dioxide and water, they provide glucose and water. Okay, now as we do know that this water is taken from the roots, we have seen here that these plants acquire water from roots. Okay, but from where they get carbon dioxide? They get it through leaves only. How? In leaves, there are very much tiny pores. Very much tiny pores. Pores means छिद्र, छेद होते हैं इनमें बहुत छोटे छोटे से. Very much tiny pores. So much small that we cannot see with the unaided eye. खुली आँख से इसको नहीं देखा जा सकता. इतने ज़्यादा छेद होते हैं, इतना ज़्यादा छोटा छेद होता है इनमें. Okay, so if I will color it, still you won't be able to see clearly. Okay, so these very much tiny pores, they take carbon dioxide from the outside. Okay, so water is taken by roots and this carbon dioxide is taken by leaves. These tiny pores, okay, these tiny pores present on leaf surface is called stomata. Okay, what are they called? Stomata. So what are stomata? These tiny pores, they have a special name. What we call them? We call them stomata. What is their work? They take carbon dioxide. Okay, remember this. They take in carbon dioxide. This tiny pore is called as stomata. Okay, so I am leaving you here. We will meet on the next session. Okay, so there is a question. I will answer it on the next part. And my question is, some plants have brown leaves. Okay, so this is a statement. The question is, do they have chlorophyll? If not, then how they prepare food? So this is question, you have to think it. Okay, read it. I will elaborate the question. Some plants have brown leaves. Do they have chlorophyll? If not, then how they prepare food for the plant? कुछ जो प्लांट्स होते हैं उनके ब्राउन कलर के लीफ होते हैं, जैसे मैंगो का प्लांट में जब स्टार्टिंग पे लीफ आता है, ओके, दैट इज ब्राउन इन कलर. रेड कैबेज इज ब्राउन इन कलर एंड मेनी शो प्लांट्स, जो डेकोरेटिव प्लांट्स होते हैं, दे आर ब्राउन इन कलर, देयर लीव्स आर ब्राउन इन कलर. तो इनमें क्लोरोफिल होता है क्या? क्योंकि अगर क्लोरोफिल होता तो ग्रीन दिखाई देना चाहिए था. सो द क्वेश्चन इज, डू दे हैव क्लोरोफिल? एंड इफ दे डोंट हैव क्लोरोफिल, अगर उनमें क्लोरोफिल नहीं है तो वो फूड कैसे प्रिपेयर करेंगे? बिकॉज वी स्टडीड नाउ कि फूड बनाने के लिए दो चीज़ चाहिए, लाइट एंड chlorophyll. Okay, so this is your question. I will answer it on the next session. Thank you.